1. Okay, so we're looking at this rule 8, and we've got log to the base b of a 1 over log to the base a of b. But we're having to work this rule backwards. That is, instead of 1 over log to the base 2 of 10, I've got log to the base 10 of 2 plus log to the base 10 of 5. My bases are the same, and I am adding outside, which means I multiply inside, which gives me log to the base 10 of 10, which is 1. Okay, this other one we're having more difficulty with. So we're going to take and change the base on this. I decided I'm going to show you one method where I leave the coefficient out in front. So I'm just going to leave this 6 out in front, and I'm going to change the base for this log to the base 9 of x minus 12 times log to the base 27 of x. I want to change these so they have the same base so that I can use log laws. What base would help me? Well, both 9 and 27 can be written with a base of 3. So when I'm changing log to the base 9 of x, I've got a division. And that division happens outside the log. The x goes on the top, the 9 goes on the bottom, and as we just discussed, we're choosing 3 for our base. Same thing over here. We left the coefficient out in front. We're changing the base, log over log. We said the base was 3, the x goes on the top, the 27 on the bottom. And from here, it's algebra. To what power do I raise 3 in order to get 9? 2. To what power do I raise 3 in order to get 27? 3. So this becomes 6 times log to the base 3 of x over 2 minus 12 times log to the base 3 of x over 3. This can simplify. 6 times this divided by 2 gives me 3 times log to the base 3 of x. Similarly, I've got 12 over 3 gives me minus 4 log to the base 3 of x. I've got 3 oranges minus 4 oranges. It leaves me 1 orange short, minus 1 times log to the base 3 of x. Or log to the base 3 of x to the minus 1, which is log to the base 3 of 1 over x. Either of those are correct. Well, all 3 of those work. Okay, here are the 3 common mistakes to avoid. The log of a plus the log of b cannot be simplified. It does not equal the log of a plus the log of b. What does the log of a plus the log of b equal? Your log law, adding outside, means multiplying inside. Okay, so don't mix the pluses up. Look at the location of them. Are they in the function or out of the function? The log of a, all squared, does not equal 2 log a. What does 2 log a equal? It's equal to the log of a squared. Once again, it makes a difference if you're going to find the log of a and square the answer, or if you're going to square the a and then take the log. So the order of operations is important. Most common one is this one. The log of a divided by the log of b does not equal the log of a minus the log of b, because the log of a minus the log of b is the log of a divided by b. So look at where the division happens. It happens inside the log. This one, in fact, is a change of base law. This is log to the base b of a. These aren't the same thing. Okay, I'll get you to turn to your homework in the worksheet.